Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart virtually with St. Michael Catholic School in Grand Ledge, Michigan. And it was just an amazing day. I got to speak to all the grades pre-K through 8th. And the main focus today was on diversity, which is our differences. It could be differences on the outside, how we walk, how we talk, how we're born, how we see, how we hear, our skin color, the clothes we wear, the foods that we eat, our culture, our background, where we were born, right? Or it could be diversity and differences on the inside, the skills, talents, abilities, and gifts that we have from God. And whether it is on the outside or the inside, we have to appreciate and honor all of our differences and show more kindness. The logo that we kept coming back to, my friend and I designed a few years ago, and it says right here, need human kindness. And you'll see that the peace sign is inside the heart, that's where peace has to begin. That's where the Prince of Peace resides and lives in all of us. And so when it comes to kindness, the reason it's so important that we show this is because it may not just be that individual that we show kindness to, right? It could be anybody else that sees or hears that kind word or sees that kind action, that it may touch their heart too in a positive way. It may touch their heart forever. So it's so vital that we are able to always show more kindness. And as the body of Christ, like it says in 1 Corinthians, all of us are a part of this body of Christ, part of the greater church. And so when we think about that, if we're kind to someone else, we're being kind to God, who's in all of us, right? That we're lifting up that church, we're lifting up the body of Christ higher than ourselves and, making it even stronger. But if we do the opposite, if we're mean to someone, if we are hateful towards somebody else and causing that person to suffer, even one heart that suffers, that means that the whole body of Christ is suffering too. So we need to show more kindness. We need to show more love. And we talked about the love that animals show us, especially dogs, right? That idea of unconditional love, which is love without any conditions. That even if we're wider, thinner, taller, shorter, in a wheelchair or not, disabled or not, wear glasses or don't, any of those differences, that we still show love no matter what, right? And for us to know that we are all true miracles and all true children of God, we need to be able to really see people for who they truly are. So we also talked about how all of us are beautiful miracles. We all have the letter M on each of our hands, at least one. I traced one of mine here. And this M, what we talked about, this M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy. That we all know we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. In Isaiah 49, it says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof, right? This is the proof. But a lot of people that I speak to, especially students, some of the youth I talk to all across the United States, they don't really think that they're miracles. Maybe they've forgotten too, right? And a lot of them, when they look in the mirror, they don't even appreciate their own differences, their own diversity. So we have to make sure that we're all in for this planet, all in for God, to make sure that we go and shine His light through our hearts by how we treat ourselves, how we treat others, and help people that maybe don't believe their full worth and value, to make sure that they do know they are loved and they are beautiful, right? Created in His image and likeness, that they're beautiful miracles. You guys touched my heart today. Never forget the ideas of respect and compassion and kindness that we talked about. Take that beyond just Catholic Schools Week into the rest of this school year and even into the summer and beyond, as we continue to live more like Christ. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here, along with the notification bell if you want to receive updates on future videos just like this. Check out the amazing playlist of inspirational clips you'll see here. And don't forget to visit my website where you can track my journey across this country. Much love, Christ's peace, God bless you.